Hello Stampers, it's Laura with Laura's Stamp Pad, and today I'm going to share with you how I added color to these fabulous little butterflies. Stampin' Up! Sells these butterflies pre-cut out, so they come with 5 on a sheet for a total of 40 butterflies in the pack. I'm going to use my Stampin' Blends brushes to blend some color onto each of the butterflies. Definitely be gentle, as the butterflies do like to move on you, and you also don't want to crinkle them. I worked in a circular motion, but I also did a little tap tap to add a different texture to the butterfly wings. This is Lost Lagoon. I also left a little bit of white in the middle there just for a variation in color to add to the depth of the butterfly. For the center of the butterfly, I used a Stampin' Blends basic black marker and just went over the antennas and the center of the butterfly. How fabulous is that? You can also add a little bit of Wink of Stella to really make it look fun. For the second butterfly, I used Petal Pink as well as Calypso Coral, and I really love how these colors blend together to create a beautiful variation in color for that butterfly. So fabulous. When I added them to the project, I actually used mini glue dots so that they still had a fun 3D effect. Isn't this card just stunning? Be sure to check out my blog, laurastamppad.com, so that you can see more fun inspiration, and shop.laurastamppad.com so you can get some of these beautiful butterflies to use on your next project. Happy stamping, everyone! Bye-bye.